Super easy 5-step spicy beef curry meal prep. Let's go. Ingredients are 1.6 kilos of diced lean beef, 2 tins of chopped tomatoes, 2 white onions, 2 beef stock cubes, lazy garlic, a tub of hot curry powder, and 560 grams of white rice. Also optional, some spinach. For the seasonings, you want salt and pepper, garam masala, turmeric, cumin, and some chili powder. Step 1, chop your white onion. Step 2, simply add all your ingredients and seasonings to a large pot and bring the pot to a simmer and cover. Measurements for the seasonings will appear on screen. Leave the pot to cook for anywhere between 30 minutes and 8 hours. The longer you leave it, the thicker the sauce and more tender the meat. Step 3, halfway through cooking, give the curry a stir, and if adding spinach, wash and add now. Step 4, wash your rice and add it to a pot or rice cooker. Cover with 1 litre of water and generously salt. If using a pot, bring the pot to a boil, then turn to a simmer and cover. If using a rice cooker, just turn the rice cooker on. After about 30 minutes, your rice will be ready, so time doing this for when you want to serve your curry. Now your curry will be ready and looking lovely. So step 5, split your rice and curry equally amongst your containers. I'm making 8. And there you have it, spicy beef curry that you can refrigerate for up to 3 days and freeze for months.